Hey, if you have older GoPros such as a GoPro Hero 9 and a Feiyutech G9 gimbal, then it's generally not possible to put the GoPro 9 onto the gimbal. But with a special adapter, it is actually possible. So keep watching to find out what you need and how you need to do it. But first, let me give thanks to YouTuber Savage Beast, who contacted me to let me know the precise details of this hack. So thanks goes out to him for bringing this to the community. Also, I'm going to take this quick opportunity to shout out his channel on YouTube, and I'll place a link in the description, so feel free to check out what he's doing on his channel and try and give him some support if you can. Alright, so moving on, I'm going to put in the video description the link where you can find the supplier of this adapter. Now there may be other websites available as alternatives, but the supplier of this particular adapter has their own YouTube channel with some videos to show how to install the adapter. Therefore, I'm just going to link into their video in the description, and you can follow the instructions that they provide instead. Alright, so that's a short video, but I hope it's of use to someone out there. Again, thanks to Savage Beast for providing this information. Let us know in the comments below if this was useful. Take care, and I shall see you soon.